No sunshine today. Kind of drizzles a little bit. No wind though. Just a little wind. Northwest, north wind probably. So we're heading back to see what we can accomplish today. First, came down around here. Pretty mucky down here. I was traveling back and forth with each slug. Now we're going to keep everything down here. Before I get in here, but this is what we did yesterday. We're back in here. Got a cord of wood, so yeah, that big dead one right there. I'd like to get it out of there. I think we'll work on this area over here today. Get in between here. It's quite a hole here though. Two there. I gotta take down this whole area. Will have to be cleared out. Yeah. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one's 8. Probably 10 trees here. This one here is already logged out. Just tanglement here. Some over there. It'll do good to get half of this done today. 10-foot log and leave the rest for garbage. Is it better if I leave it there and just let you go at it, or pull it out? Okay, I'll go over here and see what else I can clean out. Alright, so we got this all cleared out here. I'll be able to come in with the truck now a lot easier and have room to move. And I got a pile there. I probably got another 1.5 cords. And I'm going to cut down this one that's leaning, these couple, and make a path in through here so I can get around to the stump where she is there. And then we can start limbing this big fella out and come around the back side maybe, because everything's leaning this way. It's nice to be able to pull it that way. Pretty nice out today. Got a Christmas tree.
I was just thinking that.
A Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Not bad. Save that for later.
What a bud.
Alright, so we got this whole area. We did this the other day. And that's probably, I don't know, we did a little pile of this yesterday. I'd say we got, I don't know, 4 cord maybe, 3 anyway. And then the piles cord here, so I'd say, yeah, we got 4 cord. For sure we got 4. Opened this whole big area out, and I leveled out everything and took a few stumps out. Pretty well all screwed anyway, except for a few little trees. So what do we got left now? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one here, we got a couple of 13-foot logs out of it. And I don't know, there's not, well, there's one, that's a dead one there, I guess. Yeah, it's, I don't know, hard to see. I think there's one over there. Oh yeah, this, yeah, these here, 3, 4. So we can come back tomorrow, and I still want to get that big, tall, dead one down. Oh. Yeah, didn't do too bad. Yesterday when I was piling logs, one of them got tangled up, came down, just dented this right here. And then today, I don't know when this happened, but something must have hit me. Drove this whole panel in here. It's not supposed to be. I don't know if I can take it off and bend it out, but probably get smashed up again. When you're piling logs like that, if they don't go in perfect, you got to be ready to back out.